Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to add PDF file to Webflow. Let's face it, adding a PDF file directly onto your Webflow site can be a bit tricky if you're not familiar with the process. But don't worry, this video will guide you through each step, ensuring that you can easily integrate a PDF file into your Webflow project. Whether you want to share documents such as brochures, menus, or reports, embedding PDFs can enhance your website's functionality and user experience. Now, let's dive into the details and get you set up. First, we'll be using a platform called Elfsight, which is an excellent tool for building and integrating widgets into your website. It's user-friendly and offers a variety of options to customize your site's elements. To start, make sure you're logged into your Webflow account as an administrator. If you don't have an account, you can easily create one by visiting their website and following the sign-up instructions. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Site Builder. This is where all the magic happens. Next, you'll need to set up an account with Elfsight. If you haven't done so already, head over to their website and create an account. Once you're in, browse through their catalog to find the PDF widget. You'll find a search bar where you can type PDF to locate the widget we're going to use. After finding the PDF widget, click on it and you'll be taken to the configuration page. Here, you can customize how your PDF will be displayed on your site. Elfsight provides various templates, whether you want to embed a single PDF file, create a list of files, or display a magazine archive. For our purposes, let's stick with a straightforward PDF file embed. Click on Continue with this template, and you'll be prompted to add your PDF file. You have the option to upload a file directly from your computer, or provide a URL if your PDF is hosted online. Select your preferred method. For this demonstration, we'll use a sample file, but you'll likely want to upload your own document. Once your file is uploaded, click on Done. The next step is to publish your widget. Elfsight will give you the option to choose between a paid plan and a free plan. Since this is a tutorial, we'll choose the free plan, which allows you to create one widget. Now copy the code provided by Elfsight. With this code in hand, go back to your Webflow site builder. You'll need to add a new element to your page. Click on the plus icon to add a new element, and look for the Embed option. Before embedding, it might be helpful to add a new container to your page to organize your layout neatly. Drag and drop the Embed element into your container. Then, paste the code you copied from Elfsight into the Embed element. If you're using a paid plan, you may have more customization options, but the process remains largely the same. After pasting the code, click on Save and Close. And there you have it. Your PDF file should now be successfully embedded and visible on your Webflow site. This method is simple and effective, enabling you to share important documents with your visitors seamlessly. That's it for this tutorial on how to add PDF file to Webflow. If you found it useful, subscribe to PMN Online and stay tuned for more helpful videos.